Hi, I'm Juliana Lee. I am a junior in CALS. My major is agricultural sciences. And we are in the physics bus tinkering, making your exhibit area. In another universe, I would have been like a physics or engineering student, but I hated lectures too much to do that to myself. And like the parts that I enjoyed was just like seeing how these phenomena happen. So like this was like a fun way for me to actually have that. I think hands-on is really important. I think everyone has the experience of being in like a classroom and they're just learning about something and just kind of goes in. And agricultural sciences, they don't just tell you how to grow a plant, they take you to the field. I'm trying to create laminar flow, which means instead of the water being like turbulent and fuzzy and like all like full of bubbles, everything like neat and clear. I actually had it in my hands. It's a sensory thing for me, like to actually do it, think through it, and think of all the things that could go wrong or did go wrong, and trying to fix it is like another way for me to actually like understand something. I think sometimes Cornell is a bit of a bubble. Not everyone really interacts with the community outside that we're in which we should, because if anything, we're in their community and we're taking their space, and like actually giving back a bit more to them, I think is like a really big one.